In this video, I'm going to show you how to dispute a transaction on Venmo. If you notice an unauthorized payment, a scam, or an issue with a transaction, Venmo gives you options to report and dispute it directly through the app. By the way, if you're a business owner, Venmo is probably not the right solution for you. But more on that later. First, open the Venmo app on your phone and log into your account. Once you're on the home screen, tap on the Me tab at the bottom right corner of the screen. Next, scroll through your transaction history and select the payment or transfer you want to dispute. After opening the transaction details, look for the option that says Get Help or Need Help. Tap on it to open Venmo's support and dispute options. Now choose the option that best describes your issue. For example, you may select Unauthorized Transaction, Payment Problem, or Item Not Received depending on your situation. Venmo may ask you to provide additional details about the issue. Be as specific as possible and include any helpful information such as screenshots, receipts, emails, or conversations related to the transaction. Once everything is completed, tap Submit to send your dispute request to Venmo support. Venmo will then review the case and may contact you for additional information if needed. Keep in mind that dispute eligibility can depend on the type of payment, how the money was sent, and how quickly the issue was reported. Venmo is decent, but personally I prefer MoneyGram for day-to-day money transfers, especially if you live in the US or Canada. If you're worried about online fraud, they even have physical locations near you where you can make transfers in person. Link in the description below to create a free account. But if you run a business or plan to start one, Airwallex is a much better option. You can send and receive money from all over the world, in many different currencies. It's a complete business banking account that goes way beyond what Venmo offers. There should be a video popping up on your screen now. It's a detailed Airwallex review covering everything you need to know. Click the video to start watching.